Welcome to Drawlipa channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to check call log usage details in your Android phone. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your settings app. Now from here scroll down and then go to security and privacy. Now from here scroll down again. Then just tap on permission used in last 24 hours. Now from here you have to find call logs. That's it. Then just tap on call logs and here it is. Now from here you can check your call log usage details. You can see last 24 hours there are so many apps which used my call logs. You can see messages, phone, WhatsApp, Telegram. You can also find Google here. If you want to check more details, just tap here. Suppose if I select phone, from here you can also enable or disable your call log permission. You have to just select any app and then just tap here. Then you have to select don't allow from here, and then the app cannot get your call log access, and that's it. And that is how you can check call log usage details in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.